Listen, Angel.
You have a twisted teeth because they were supposed to come back after school.
How old are you?
Can you hide it back in
Oh,
there?
bro, that's my spirit animal.
I can hide it behind you.
Yeah, hide it behind something. Like, throw like a shirt over it or something.
Yeah, let's try to.
Yeah. I mean, I just carry it with me. I don't give a shit. I'll just carry it with me.
But here,
Oh, yeah, if he comes back, you can't have yours either.
he said
I'm
after
gonna-
he
it's
was
almost
to bed
empty.
about 7:30. He's
Are
coming
you
back.
still okay now?
I'm loosed up.
Yeah, there you go.
My mom liked our video.
What's in here? Anything?
Monster. Well, here's his belongs to. I'm taking the one bag.
Oh, damn, that was deep.
Wait, wait, 1 second. I can throw this back here.
Lindsay said that shit was deep and almost hit her nose.
Damn, let's say
I didn't know
that
you were there. Guy talk. Sorry, honey.
shit. See, listen, I don't want you to think I'm a bad influence on your man.
Oh,
Seriously.
no, I know.
Jesus Christ.
We're bro now right now. I'm a little weird.
We're bros and hoes.
Get a live streams up and this service down here, trust me, you don't even know how bad.
I know.
When we
I'm
do
gonna
it,
try. I told him I was.
She said she's gonna try.
walking test, 1, 2, 3.
You good? Oh,
We're coming.
We're coming. We were hiding our stuff.
you. I made sure that fucking front door, that's what I was doing. I was making sure that we're good. I thought someone was behind. I was like, who's behind? It was like, little bro. I was like, you good? I didn't see no one. I was like, no one's there. No one's there.
Oh boy.
Steve's everywhere.
Right?
That's where it's something from a badge.
Something a badge. Is that what he said? I'm going to.
I want to go there now.
I'm good. Boy,
What's up here?
it's just a little standing spot where you can just overlook everything.
Big boss of the dealers.
Of the mafia.
Yeah, big. If you're important, this is probably where you were. Yeah, you just can. It's been there. You can just get an overlook of everything up here. I'm gonna flick the lights and I'm kind of curious what they look like. To see what we get. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Got
Some more lights? Did you get the other? Wait a second. Flick that other light again down over here. I think this light is going to be like on that. Okay, turn that off, so that's good. Leave that off.
Is there any light switches over there?
What is that yellow light supposed to be? Was that done?
That's a phone cable.
Oh, shit.
Something turned on over here. That's over that one. I wonder if there are security lights that won't go off.
That's what he said, that they might not be able to.
Let me turn the desk on. We ain't gonna need the IR light now, since we'll be able to see. I found some switches here. You ready?
Yeah, go for it.
You okay?
It's already broken.
It was just a broken light. It's fine. I'm sure there's more here somewhere. Oh yeah, it's gotta be. It's gotta go off. Is there nothing up there?
Not that I know. But remember, he said it probably doesn't get pitch black when you do a safety reason from the hospital.
Yeah, he did say that.
He did say that.
You can't turn this. Don't turn it. just hit the block in there. At least I'll let wedge open a little bit. I've found 2 more switches here. Damn it.
Go ahead, the block in a little bit.
That way it doesn't close all the way in case it doesn't open. Alright, this is what we're gonna get. It's gonna have to be. 67 degrees down here. Something just flickered down here. Someone messing with the light switch?
I was touching it.
Yeah, there's a bunch of light switches there. Something over there kind of going off. I don't think they're coming on.
They might not be coming off.
Maybe we should just relax up and on top.
Well, there's, here.
That's awesome. That's me.
I can just sit up and stare at my computer already. It's terrible.
Well, the shine lights.
Yeah.
At least we know we get the theater card. That's good.
Well, this does, as long as you can.
What's up with those lights right now?
We already tried making the thing, didn't we? Yeah. I heard that.
They're staying on, that's what it is.
Well, this thing's recording, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're doing it already.
I try to keep that thing recording at all times.
Oh.
In case something happens, I'll let it ready for it.
Here, I'll show you how this camera works. Okay, so I'll be on, I mean, it's even when it's darker, it's better, but as you can see what you can see in the,
Oh, that's sick. See, I wish I had something like that.
that's what it is. I mean, this is like $1,000 setup here.
Is it?
Nowadays, not when I first got it.
I paid $500 for that shit back then.
I paid $500 at the time, but this is a new light.
Oh, okay.
This is like, this will sale for $80.
Awesome.
But that's what you get. I mean, that's, it's,
What is this thing here?
I think that was like 150. This is like 20. Well, she's gonna be up there. I'm giving her the camera. You're on camera patrol, babe, since you're in the queen spot.
I'm very much gonna be like, it's wondering what's going on.
Let me know before you start putting it in the line and see if it works.
Where?
Try it.
Have at it. You're live. It's on.
Hold my pen. I'm just sticking.
No, you hit nothing. Good to go.
Okay, I'm sticking the pen in my boob. Hello, friends.
Yeah, I have to put this little wimple on the steps.
Hello, friends.
We put it in that too.
Well, you know what, Nicole? I was gonna say, if you don't need to be that, I'll use that instead.
For vibration?
Hello. What? The hell? Jeez. I don't know why he's letting me in charge of the camera. I'm a child.
See, it's not touching it.
There's like a little lip in there, so I'm not sitting on it, so.
I'm just loving my life up here.
Oh,
Is that yours?
no, I was down here, it's turned on.
They just went down the steps. and,
Yeah.
I think the vibration from the steps took it all the way down to the bottom.
Ready?
I'm ready. Put it on.
Yeah, claim it.
we are here to show you the utmost respect and all these things we've laid down for you. If you're able to come and touch them, like I'm doing right now, they'll light up and you're able to talk to us. Now we just want to know your story. And we all got some friends here. I'm Angel. We have Steve, Jim, Ashley, Lindsay, Bobby, and Bobby Brown.
And boy child,
Boy child.
also known as Landon.
Landon. And we just want you to come forward to just tell us a little bit about yourselves. If you're here, can you knock on anything? Make a noise for us?
There's a lot of metal down here. If you touch it, it'll be pretty loud so we can hear it.
Yeah, what was that?
If that was you, thank you. But just a little bit of reassurance. Can you make another noise for us a little bit louder again, please?
Yeah, I heard it.
I heard like a little echoing noise.
Yeah, back that way.
You read that?
I heard that.
Something just touched my butt.
Started?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I needed to be over here for the big wig set.
Spirits, thank you very much, okay? If that was you, we appreciate you. Now we heard that the mob did a lot of work down here. If you're part of the mob here, or maybe a victim of the mob, can you knock on something or touch one of these devices?
What was that?
That to me sounded like water.
It sounded like water.
Over here.
Yeah.
Is there any mobs that are still here? Do these women that's around this, basement, did you have women work for you, serving you drinks, giving you cigars, that type of stuff? If so, can you make a noise for us?
Yeah.
That's water dripping.
And there is some, I remember something back here too, I believe, a pump or something. If I remember correctly, there's something back there.
Remember, there's tunnels down here that went through everywhere. Does anyone here have a message for us? Something that they'd like to say?
I feel since this equipment is all new, and if any spirits here is older, they don't know how to use them. So I think we should go through and just show them how to use them, just so they can interact
Yeah.
with them.
Yep.
So spirits, if you're here, there's metal antennas on these little black blocks on the ground. You can come over and just touch them, and they have lights on these devices. And they make noise, so you can come touch them. And that will show us that you're here with us. And then we have these little clear balls. We got one here on the steps, you come over and just touch it. It lights up blue, yellow, red. And we have them around this area too, so if you do that for us, we would appreciate it. So I just want to show you where we're at. There is one that comes back here.
Is that, sorry about that.
So if you see what we just did for you, can you repeat what we just did?
You're welcome to use my energy as well, whatever you need. You do whatever you need to do.
That's like a pump. That's like a
Yeah, it
pump
sounds like the
water.
pump turning on.
There was a weird noise before.
Yes.
Just that
Right.
voice.
Yeah.
You heard that too?
Yeah, like you and I looked at each other and then the pump turned on.
Because it sounded
Yes.
like it came from like
Right here, yes.
It was like somebody whispering. It was like.
Yeah, and then the pump kicked on. Yeah.
Oh, something's draining back in the water.
It definitely sounded like a voice up here for sure. It wasn't the pump.
Spirits, I know you might not know what to do with these pieces of equipment, but if there's something I do know that you monsters know about is beer.
Thank you.
And I have some beer for you, and I'd love for you to come have a drink with me.
Good thing.
If you want some, all you gotta do is come to this device and light it up for me just like that. And I'll gladly serve you a glass.
We are not here to judge you in any way of what you did in your past life. We're worried about what your life is right now. We just want to hear your story.
Scared me. I was like, oh shit, what's that? I'm up here alone.
That all these machines
The machines are turning on.
You know
Yeah,
that,
that's
right?
true, yeah.
No, is that right? Now that is something kind of a manipulation that spirits will do. They will
Right.
turn on things. That's like when you do the spirit box.
I keep hearing like a tapping noise up here behind me. Like right in this general vicinity, like not far from where I'm sitting.
Now you know what's funny? In my head, it's very in my head that like how y'all are standing, like someone would be like pacing, like what the fuck is going on?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like what are you doing? And like you said, every time we ask a hard question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there any aggressive spirits down here?
Is that you again? I heard that before.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's over
it was
here.
like right up in here.
Is something dripping over there?
Let me go look.
You heard that? Did anyone else hear that?
There is
When
no,
I asked him if it's an aggressive spirit, it was like,
there's no water dripping up here at all. It is dry.
for
There's a bunch of paint chips, but it's definitely not. Well, something up here keeps liking to touch my butt, that is for sure.
Especially that you're in that area, because that's like, to me, that's like the
Are
area
you-
that the
Yeah,
boss on the night.
that's what I don't disagree with you on that one.
Are you spirits being flirtatious? Is that how you interacted with your worker? I mean, with the women that work here back when you was alive? You always touched the women, you smacked their butt. Is that what you did for them?
Feels thicker around here.
Yeah,
The air is thick.
yep, I agree with you.
Spirits, you can use all our energy. We really just are here, the first group. We want to learn about you. We want to learn your ways, learn your history. And we can't learn anything unless you don't teach us. Can you give me one loud bang just to acknowledge me? Not on anything here. Anyone here talking?
Dude, I just heard
Yes.
he made a push back
Did you hear
there.
talking?
Yes,
You did hear talking?
Yes.
Okay, I
no, you're not losing your mind, I heard
Shake
that.
his hand. Okay, water talking there. I thought I heard talking.
I heard like a distinct voice.
I heard it.
Yes, because as soon as you said that, Landon turned around and it was like back in there because he turned around and faced that way, but I heard it.
What are they doing here?
Okay, I thought I heard talking. Okay.
That's what I heard. What are they doing here? You hear water talking?
Okay, because I do.
It's leaking real hard back here.
It's leaking. Okay.
It is leaking.
No, but I heard distinct voice.
Okay, I swear I heard.
Yeah, no, I heard a voice.
I heard what are they doing here? That's what I heard.
Really? Okay. Spirits, we appreciate you. Thank you very much. You're doing exactly what we want you to do. Okay? Above the water, I need you to be a little bit more louder. Now you can come down here and show us how strong you are. But I need you to do it really loud so we can hear you, okay? So make any noise you want to make, but make sure it's loud for us to hear, please.
That's definitely water that time. I heard that.
Yeah, there's definitely, like, all the comments back here are wet, like something's dripping from the roof.
That's where you said the tunnels were.
Is it the tunnel?
Remember the tunnels go from underneath here all the way to cafe.
I'm starting to feel anxious though. Like I'm feeling
I'm
like,
getting excited.
I'm
Like I'm getting like
On edge.
Yeah.
I got you.
I think we're just feeling this out.
Yeah, it's gonna be like that. It's gonna be like that. So I mean, think about being here for what, 100 years? Let's say you were a victim 100 years ago, and no one's ever fucking acknowledged you. You know what I'm saying? It's like Pocahontas when they see a sexy white man like me. It's like,
you're Puerto Rican. But I'm gonna ask you spirits a serious question. If you remember how I touched those devices for you, but are you from the speakeasy or log, or are you from the hospital right next door? And if you are from the hospital, please touch any of these devices that we've already showed you.
that didn't sound like water.
Yeah, it definitely did not sound like water. It sounded like it was right over.
Well, it is the in the water, so it could very well.
Yeah, but no, I can definitely tell the water. But there was not before the water.
Yes.
Spirits, I know it's hard that you got this water dripping, but I need you to understand we can't completely understand you. Now I love how you ask that question and then we get that knock, because every time you ask that question, we're getting something. Spirits, I need you to do something that's more dominant than the water that we hear. Can you knock hard on anything metal in this room?
If you need to hear something, just make that noise for us. It's pretty loud. Did you hear it?
Okay, so I wasn't the only one that heard that too, okay? Yes. Yes. Yes.
But here,
That's what, I heard what you guys heard.
Spirits, thank you. Ask a question.
one thing, spirits, if you can see the water on the ground, water makes spirits a little more stronger. It makes your energy a little more stronger. So use the water to communicate with us. Please do so. I keep hearing talk.
I keep hearing talking.
Yes.
I keep hearing
It's
something.
very faint. but
Yes, I hear it.
Lindsay, what do you hear?
I think it's the water. I think the water is playing on our ears, and it's making me sound like whispering.
Does it sound like it? Does it really
Well,
sound
up here,
familiar?
it sounds like water. You know, you're saying, I hear whispering, and I look at you, I'm like, we hear water.
Like every time I
Take
hear it?
a walk back.
You'll hear it. We look at each other.
But like, it's like happening every time I ask a question, it's happening. So, could they be releasing water to give us answers? I don't know.
That's possible, yeah.
Are you guys using a flashlight?
Probably, because it's pitch black back there.
Okay, cool. No, because I see the light
From like over there.
We know you're here. We can feel you around us. You're very curious about why we're here, why we want to talk to you. just trying to talk to you. We'll be here all night, so whenever you feel free to talk, we're here to listen.
I've had the same one for solid years. I don't
You doing okay?
Oh, it's just thick.
It's definitely
moisture.
I think it's because it's damp down here for you.
Huh?
Because we worried about sound and
Because there's so much.
Yeah, even like doing the ED session now, you can't do it.
No, there's too much faintness.
Well, I mean, if you're doing an EP session, you get a voice, and you can
Right.
understand it, that's one thing, but yeah, there's gonna be a lot of work.
I know.
We can try, if you guys wanna try some, like a nano pump or something, I don't.
You know, it doesn't sound really good down there. There should be no interference.
Should we see, that's what I'm saying, the nano pump.
Ah.
Plus, I have a Faraday that I do.
That was me. That was me.
Oh.
That was me. That was me.
But, Spirits, we're about to
Moved it.
turn on the device for you to communicate with us.
See, I keep thinking too, I don't think you know the word license. Box.
Box.
Ball.
I guess, yeah, we're gonna have to dumb it down.
Very low, yeah.
Very dumb it down. So, like, because think about it, you're in the 20s, you don't know what a rep pod is, you don't know what a piano pod is, you know, they don't know what a fucking CD is.
Well, I know,
I say like she touched the silver stick.
Yeah.
This nanocom we're gonna use, that's what it's called. It's actually a radio that you can use to talk to us through.
It will amplify your voice, it will hurt you, but it will allow us to be able to hear you. You will have the device as close as you can, and tell us as much as you can tell us.
I'm gonna turn it on, okay? You can come to this box I have right here in my hand. If there's anybody here, you can come to this box right here with this light, and you can come say hello.
Each station's like a quarter size.
Remember to, you can always come back too. Because you know where I really live, it's still in the theater.
Especially when you go live, I think it's a lot more.
Yeah, I'm trying to go live now, and it'll go live for a minute, and then cut that out, and go live. Like, it's just right now, it's sitting next to my.
Okay.
I'll make it clean it up.
Not even a radio.
Well, I mean, I would, or how much stories on the
I don't know, like it's a perfect spot for it. Even like, if someone wants to do an essay session, it's not the best spot to do it. In all honesty. Find out where they came from, not gonna shit.
I'll do it. I'll try that. Spears, if you're here with me, I want you to come and try to talk to me through this box. Even if it's a high, a low.
How much your name?
Maybe since being your mom dudes, they're aggressive. You know, maybe we should try to be a little more aggressive instead of like, just like sitting back and talking. You know what I'm saying? Just like, yeah. I'm just letting you guys know, I'm the kingpin here now. This is my area. And see this money on the ground? You owe me this money.
What if you basically need to use it? To try that,
Like old fashioned piano music or something. If you can get it.
How does that make you feel? Hearing that we have no power anymore.
This is my turf. You're my area. If you want to take over this area again, touch these silver rods that's on the ground. Touch these toys that I've already showed you. Touch them so we can talk. And the way for you to talk is go talk to that orange dot that's on that box over there.
If you feel like you got competition, you gotta say it.
Did you just hear that?
That was this.
Lizzie, why are you messing with this investigation? I think he was playing some George Michael. Oh, there we go. Is this what you want to hear? Some music? There we go. This is what we're trying to do.
Spears, if you like that music or lobster, whatever you are.
I just need to verify that all the things. I didn't kick it, see what happened. I'm gonna kick this again, ready?
Nope, nothing.
Spirit, if that's you and you like this music, can you touch this ball again?
Were you walking down the steps to greet everybody?
Come on, don't lose confidence. Touch the ball.
Do you want to dance? I'll dance with you. Come on. Lindsay, you had this baffled look on your face.
Huh?
You had this baffled look on your face. Like you heard something.
Oh, back there? Honestly, I'm all around my phone.
That's not like what
Careless whisper.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what.
I know that because George Michael's the man out here to shit. George Michael is the man. He does some good music.
He has a pipe.
Yeah. That's what happens when you're over 40. You know all the music.
Listen, I know all the music. I was in the music department, so I heard everything.
Come down these steps and come in.
What? Beer?
Why don't you go up the steps?
What?
And go with the music.
Yo, Angel.
From up here? Well, because I keep like feeling like somebody's like behind
I
me.
know I'm looking at the real here. But look in this doorway. It looks like there's something big back there. Right back in that doorway. I know the railing goes around.
What door?
It
Which
looks like there's something like-
which doorway? That one?
It's
Up there?
Downstairs in the second. Yeah, I noticed the railing too, but it looks like there's something, it's like a different color too.
Cat ball's going off.
Is it?
Yes.
I thought I was seeing through.
Oh! It cut off? For anyone that's just watching, they were playing music up top there, the cat wall went off, and now Lindsay's phone just shut off completely.
Right behind this railing.
And that's right when you said you thought you saw something right in the door.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought I seen something.
Turn it on again. Keep it going. Keep the energy going.
Now,
Thank you,
that's
Spears.
it. Yeah, now, the atmosphere's starting to pick up. We should break that.
Huh?
It's floating like
keep going. You guys.
This one's big. I'll bring that to you.
I got plenty. I got plenty. I got 10 of them.